In this video, I'll show you how to leave a review in Booking.com. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, I need you to log into your account. If you're using your mobile device, open the Booking.com app. Or if you are here on your computer, go to Booking.com and log in using your credentials. And click on your icon profile right here. And then on the dashboard, you just have to click on reviews, right? Okay, here's the fun part. For example, you already have like our reviews here. You're gonna automatically see all your review lists here. But in case you don't have, what you need to do is simply go to your recent bookings. All right. Now on your recent bookings, all you're gonna do is click on that, and all you need to do is just leave a review. Since I don't have a recent activity, I didn't have any recent bookings, so I'm not gonna be able to do that. But here we have to understand how the guest review process works. So reviews are a way for to get valuable feedback from the property and improve the guest experience. So here are some eligibility to leave a guest review. So only guests who have booked stays through the Booking.com platform, including no-shows, and people who have booked a property on behalf of their family or friends and or have stayed at the property, can leave a review. Since I don't have that, I won't be able to leave a review, right? Okay, so here you can read the entire content guidelines, all right, about eligibility of leaving a guest review. Now, for if you want to be anonymous, I'm sorry, but Booking.com as of this date is no longer accepting or allowing anonymous reviews on their platforms. Anonymous reviews were previously allowed with the goal of protecting guest privacy and helping partners gather as many reviews as possible. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.